What's up, guys? Today in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can get more clients using your call to actions. This is going to be specifically on YouTube, but this applies to Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or anywhere where you're making that call to action. This is going to be super useful for you guys, and if you haven't met me yet, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of optimizeis, and I help business owners probably just like you help them optimize their information systems, make better processes to get more clients and save more time. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video now. Alright, so the first step to getting more clients using this method is you want to provide them some value. So for me specifically on YouTube, it's providing the value in usually a tutorial on how to do something. And then the key there is I'm just providing them a tutorial on how to do one thing. I'm not complicating it too much. And really what I'm going to be hinting on throughout this how-to is the rule of one. And so that means one thing that you're talking about, one call to action, and on your landing page or sales page, one thing that you're talking about on there, and one call to action on that sales page. So your call to action could look anything like request a consultation, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, or retweet, or like this post, or anything. You really want to limit yourself to one per post. And I know I used to not be good at this. I would put like 30 different links in my captions or in my description on my YouTube video, but I really want to go back to this rule of one. You only want them to do one thing, because if you ask somebody to do 20 different things, they're just not going to do any of them. They might like go watch the next video because YouTube recommends it, but for you to actually get them to take action, you only want one thing. The second thing I want to talk about is what call to actions you're using on each piece of content. If all you're doing is selling on each piece of content, then you're not going to get anywhere and nobody's ever going to click that. Or if you do, it'll be by chance and not very often. So what you want to do is you want to be nurturing your audience. You don't want to be like, hey, go sign up for my course at the end of every video. Sometimes you want to convert those cold leads into hot leads by having them turn on post notifications or just subscribing, or doing something that's engaging that's not like making them take a big leap into like buying something. You really want to nurture them so that they're used to like making these smaller actions and then getting them to do some medium-sized actions like engage with your content, like comment, like, subscribe, depending on what platform you're posting it on. You really want to limit this to one in each. So I recommend like don't go overboard, don't even do it like every other one. Because if you do that, it seems inauthentic. It seems like all you're there to do is provide content so that people just buy your stuff. Which, granted, you are in this to make money, but they're gonna see that and they're gonna notice that energy from you. You really have to be there to provide value to them and to want to help them grow, whether that's just watching your free content or watching your paid content. So that leads me to my third point, and that's to have it be really clear. Once they gain all the value from whatever piece of content you put out there, whether that's like a long form training, a long caption that gives them a lot of video, a nice sized video that gives them a lot of value from them watching the whole thing, is leave it at the end and make it really clear just that one thing that you want them to do. So wait till the end, wait till it's like that last 30 to 40 seconds in your YouTube video or the last paragraph in your caption, and have them comment, have them engage with your stuff. If you keep doing this over and over and you get them to engage on, say, every video or every other video or every post or every other post, then eventually they're going to be less scared when you ask them to make them a client. They're going to be more in tune of making these small little decisions to engage with your stuff, engage with your content that you're posting, to then become a client. You don't want to overload them with 1,000 things to do because they're not going to do it. But if you just keep it to one, that rule of one, on your landing page, only have one offer on there. In your content, only have one call to action on there. And don't have it always be sales. You want to grow your community so that you're providing free value to a lot of people. Because not everybody is going to buy from you. A lot of people are just there for the free value, and that's okay. That's like what we're here for. So we want to deliver value. Just keep it to that rule of one, and that's my best piece of advice to get more clients with your call to actions. So if you gain value from this video, go ahead and throw a comment in the comments section and say what your call to action is. And if you have a question on if it's clear enough, if it's precise enough, if it's good enough that it's not like salesy each time, throw that comment in there and say what your call to action is, and maybe say a few that you're using so that you're not using the same one every time. But throw a comment in the comments section and say what call to action you have, and we can brainstorm and we can work on it. So I hope this was super valuable. Throw that comment in there, and if not, just keep watching and you'll get another video.